In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google AdSense Ads.txt not found error in Blogger. If you are seeing this warning in AdSense, don't worry. This is usually a simple setup issue, and once you place the correct Ads.txt information in Blogger, Google can verify your site properly. I will walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. First, sign in to your Google AdSense dashboard. Once you are inside, go to Account, then Settings, and then Account Information. Here, you will find your unique publisher ID. This ID begins with pub. Make sure you copy that exact ID carefully, because it's the key part needed to create your ads. TXT entry. Next, format your ads. TXT line, using the official Google AdSense structure. You will simply replace the publisher ID in that line with your own copied publisher ID. It's important to paste the ID exactly as it appears, without adding extra spaces or changing the format, because even a small mistake can prevent Google from recognizing the file correctly. Now open a new tab and sign in to your Blogger dashboard. From the top left dropdown, select the correct blog if you manage more than one. Then click Settings in the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you reach the monetization section. In this area, turn on the option called Enable Custom Ads, TXT. Once that is enabled, click on Custom Ads.txt just below the toggle. A text field will appear. Paste the formatted ads.txt line you created earlier into that box. Then click Save TXT file so AdSense can read it from your site. If the warning still remains, there may be a redirect or crawler setting interfering with Google's access. Go back to Settings and scroll down to the Crawlers and Indexing section, which is below Monetization. Here, make sure both Enable Custom Robots.txt and Enable Custom Robots header tags are turned off, unless you specifically know how to configure them. For most users, Blogger's default settings are the safest and most reliable for AdSense indexing. After that, scroll back up to the HTTPS section. Turn off HTTPS availability for about 2 minutes. Then turn it back on. This can help refresh your domain mapping and clear internal redirect issues that may be blocking Google from reading the ads. TXT file correctly. Once everything is done, give AdSense some time to detect the change. It may not update instantly, so be patient while Google rechecks your blog. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.